Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn all trigonometric values. First, let's establish a strong foundation by understanding the unit circle and its fundamental role in defining these values. Visualize the unit circle as a powerful tool. Remember that sine corresponds to the y-coordinate, cosine to the x-coordinate, and tangent is the ratio of sine to cosine. Mastering these basic concepts is your initial step towards confidently recalling any trigonometric value you need. Next, let's focus on the special angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. You'll find fascinating patterns in their sine and cosine values. For instance, many values involve square roots of numbers from 0 to 4, divided by 2. Recognizing these simple sequences and using fractions like 1/2 or 1 over root 2 will significantly boost your memorization, making these core values stick effortlessly in your mind. Moving on, calculating tangent is straightforward once you know sine and cosine. Simply divide sine by cosine. To determine the correct sign for any trigonometric function in different quadrants, remember the mnemonic all students take calculus. This helps you recall where each function is positive. Understanding reference angles is also crucial, allowing you to find values for angles beyond the first quadrant with ease. Finally, consistent practice is your best friend for mastering trigonometric values. Regularly draw the unit circle and fill in the values for various angles. Don't just memorize. Apply these values to solve different types of problems. This active recall and application will solidify your understanding, making you confident in using trigonometric values for any mathematical challenge or real-world scenario you encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.